The fireworks started at midnight. It's 4 a.m. They're getting closer. Not normal fireworks. They explode in sequence, spelling words in the sky. It started simple, hello, then we see you. Now they're writing full sentences. Come outside, neighbor. But there's no one on the streets. The whole neighborhood's dark, silent, except for the explosions. Each burst leaves something floating down. Ash? No. Photos. Polaroids? Of me? Through my windows. Eating dinner. Brushing my teeth. Sleeping. The last one, it shows me typing this right now. This exact moment. It's silent. The explosion stopped. Silent now. Too silent. Even the crickets. My doorbell just rang. Dozens of them, all holding sparklers, all with no faces. Smooth skin where features should be. They're singing the national anthem, backwards, word by word, backwards, getting louder. The sparklers spell something. Welcome home.